Okay, I'm working on Granny today, my 93 Dodge Dakota V6 LE extended cab pickup truck. I'm going to be replacing the belt tensioner on this unit, which is not too bad, it's not too hard. This is the belt tensioner. Mine needs to be replaced. It's making all kinds of rattle and racket and flying around there. So I'm going to be putting a new belt and a new belt tensioner on. First thing I'm going to need to do is remove that ignition coil so I can gain access to underneath a plate that holds that on. These may be hex nuts for you, but I replaced these with Phillips head screws because I wore my old ones out when I replaced this ignition coil. This bottom one's kind of a tight one to get to. Okay, then I'm going to unplug my wire and unplug this pin right here, this connector. If you'll look down in here, this is the bolt that we have to take off. Okay, this is a 15 millimeter. I'm going to loosen my tension on my belt. Then I'm going to take my belt off. Yeah. Okay, this is a 15 millimeter. We're going in to get our nut off the back of this. I think I got it loose enough to move by hand now. That's my worn out spring tensioner. Made in Korea. This is from Mocha Parts on eBay. Open this up. I hate these safety utility knobs. They just suck. That's going in the garbage. I don't know where my good one is at. This also comes with a belt, new belt. We're going to put that on. The package is already broken open. This is our new spring tensioner. This comes from Motorcar on eBay. Okay, we'll compare the two here. You always kind of want to compare your parts before you put on your new one. Make sure they're the same thing. These look to be it. This looks to be the appropriate replacement. Put that on, we're going to slide it back through that bracket and put our nut back on. Okay, we're going to go back in with our new tensioner here. This has a little lock thing here. You want to engage that with this. You'll want to engage that with this notch right here. Kind of a long bolt, takes a little while to get it in. And we have that mounted back in there, and we have that in our notch right there, so we know it's going to mount. 15 millimeter wrench. Let's tighten it back up. Okay, I believe I'm ready to put my new belt on now. I'll show you how to route that through. This is part of the kit from eBay, from Total Care Auto Parts. It's $40 for this belt and the new tensioner there, so that's not too bad. It's a good thing I'm replacing that belt, because when I took it off, I discovered this. Just in time, huh? It's going to come up off your tensioner. It's going to go around this, underneath that idler pulley right there, over your air conditioner unit, then back around your power steering pump, and then that returns back over to your spring tensioner there, to your belt tensioner. This is a diagram that that's putting a new belt tensioner and belt on Granny, a 1993 Dodge pickup truck with a 3.9 liter engine. Good luck with your repair.